Hello valued customer, thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. Today I'll be showing you how to place a ring guard on your ring. Place your ring on top of the ring guard with the arms facing upward. Tightly press down on the center of the ring and ring guard. If you have pliers or just using your fingers, fold the arms around the ring shank and tighten. Using your pliers, straighten and tighten the arms so they are nice and snug. To adjust the sizes, push down or up to tighten or loosen the ring, like this. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.